My fucking nephew killed a dog. And he stole a car. A car which currently is among our inventory.
So we're giving everything up for a car?
It's not just a car. It is John Wick's car.
Oh. Oh, sir, why don't we just give it back?
He killed my nephew, my brother, and doesn't know my man over his car.